In this video, I'll guide you through how to broadcast on Steam. Steam's built-in broadcasting feature makes it easy to share your gameplay with friends or other members of the Steam community without needing complicated streaming software. Whether you're showing off a new game, sharing gameplay with friends, or simply testing the feature for the first time, the setup only takes a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process so you'll be ready to start broadcasting with confidence. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, download and install Steam before continuing. Once the application launches, you'll be taken to the login screen if you aren't already signed in. Click the Login button, enter your account name and password, and double-check that your information is correct before selecting Sign In. After a successful login, you'll arrive at your Steam homepage, where you can access your library, friends list, and account settings. Next, move your cursor to the top left corner of the Steam window and click on Steam. This opens the main menu containing several configuration options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the Steam Settings window. Inside the Settings window, you'll see a list of categories along the left side. Scroll through the list until you find the Broadcast section, then click on it. This is where you'll configure all of your broadcasting preferences before going live. Take a few moments to review the available settings. Here you can choose options such as your broadcast quality, microphone preferences, and privacy settings that determine who can watch your gameplay. Selecting the right combination of settings helps ensure a smoother viewing experience for your audience, while also giving you control over who can access your broadcasts. Once you've adjusted the settings to match your preferences, select the option to manage your broadcast. This finalizes your broadcasting configuration and prepares Steam for live streaming. After everything is finished loading, your broadcast will be ready whenever you launch a supported game. Depending on the privacy settings you selected, your friends or other eligible Steam users will be able to watch your gameplay while you're playing. If you experience any issues getting your broadcast started, check that your internet connection is stable and review your broadcast settings to make sure everything has been configured correctly. A reliable connection can make a noticeable difference in both the quality and stability of your stream. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to set up Steam broadcasting and share your gameplay directly through Steam. Thanks for watching, and have fun gaming and streaming your favorite titles.